can explain x402 in simple terms with some maybe added technical components, how will you explain maybe under 2 minutes?
Yeah, so x402 is the standard that enables micropayments to happen for agents. So what's happening is a few trends we're seeing. One is there's going to be a lot more AI and agents performing transactions on behalf of humans instead of humans directly. And two is the way they're going to do payments is going to be very different from a lot of the traditional business models that we currently have. For example, with the SaaS model where you pay $20 a month to access a service, or the other model which is large companies trying to grab your attention and sell ads off of your attention. These two models are broken because one, like AI is not going to go and read your ads. Like it's a ads and that attention game is for humans, but for AI and for agents, it's going to be very different. And two is a lot of times AI do not need a $20 a month service, right? A lot of times what they need is accessing the content, do web crawl, read some of the data, and just having $20 as a paywall essentially blocks the agent from being able to access the greater web. So then you end up having these agents maybe like doing other tricks to try to access the information, and so the content creators lose money and ways to generate revenue in the process. And so because of these two trends, the third argument is the current financial rail is not sufficient for supporting the agents to transact, simply because it's built for the previous status quo, which is having humans, like doing a lot of the transaction, having 30 cents minimum, having like 3% transaction fee, not being able to have global financial service or financial infrastructure, right? Like, so how do we design a new way for agents to pay on top of the blockchain with stable coins? That's sort of like the core pieces that x402 was trying to solve.